8 minutes after 6 o'clock now at Fox 40. Hello.
Okay, you guys both had a unique experience when you're driving to work and you hit fog in places that maybe you didn't expect to hear it. I've got a great way of visualizing exactly where that narrow, thin ribbon of fog is. The satellites are able to read not just what the clouds look like, but they can read the temperatures. So sometimes when we look at maps like that, the background looks a little different. Take a look at the map I've got here. Beautiful image put up by the National Weather Service, and you're going to notice that pink background on it. You pick out where Sacramento is?
Yeah.
See where Stockton is?
Yeah.
Can you guys see a subtle ribbon of gray on there?
Yeah.
I'm going to highlight it. The arrows are pointing to it, but I'm going to highlight it and outline it on here.
Is it cooler where there's fog? Darren?
Exactly. Yeah. That's how the satellite reads it. So the satellite is able to read it's an infrared map, so the satellite's actually reading temperature.
Yeah.
It's not reading visible light because it's too dark to see this from space.
Interesting is
But
that?
it is able to read the temperature off the top of that cloud. It's a little bit cooler, and that's how we're able to pinpoint where the fog is. So we're able to track where your trouble spots are going to be.
Awesome, Darren.
Basically, as you're coming in on 80, Paul, where'd you say you hit the fog?
Yeah, the area leading up to the split with Business 80.
Right in there.
Yep.
May, you came in on 50. Where'd you say you hit the fog?
Right at Rancho.
Right in there. So this stays to the east of 99s, extending all the way down the valley. Stockton, you're out of it because that narrow ribbon is just off to the east of you guys. But if anybody's taking that drive in or out of downtown on 80 or 50, you're going to hit it. And there's another way of looking at it. The sensors that I've got around Sacramento, particularly the one here in South Sac, you can see for 8 miles down the road, that's fine. But as we get out into that area we were just looking at, down to a quarter-mile visibility here near Rancho Cordova, and the visibility is at 0 as you start to get up here. So that's where our trouble spots are going to be. Give it a little bit of time before it burns off. All right, here's the rest of today. We're going to get into a beautiful sunshine day. We'll be sitting in the upper 60s. We're done with the rain. We're completely out of the rain business, in fact, until we get to Sunday when there's just this small opportunity for rain. It's only a 30% chance at this point. I am not all that impressed with that. In fact, most of whatever little rain there is appears to be staying north of Sacramento at this point, but it's a close one and it's still several days out, so I'll keep an eye on it since it is the weekend. That's kind of a big deal. All right, Martina, how's the drive doing with that little patch of fog?
Yeah, take a look right now. This is